So today we're going to tie-dye, and my husband, I'm Salmon by the way, my husband thought it'd be a great idea to wipe our chocolate lab after she just got out of the creek with my white sweatshirt. So today we are going to tie-dye that. Pizzazz, what are you going to tie-dye?
A shirt from our 50K.
Alright, so what you're going to need are some rubber bands, some dye you can get from Walmart, this Tulip brand, or we have Rit dye today, and some, if you want to get real fancy, Dharma Trading Company is a great company for tie-dyeing. They send you all the stuff. You're going to want to wet your shirts. Some people soak them in soda ash, but we're not that fancy today. The colors will be brighter if you do that. So we are going to fold or twist or tie our sweatshirts and our t-shirt, and then we're going to rubber band the pattern we want. So I'm gonna twist mine, but I'm gonna need Pizzazz's help to do it. What?
There we go. It's a little dirty on that side, but that's okay.
Okay, so we are gonna try something different with my sweatshirt, where we're just, because it's so big and clunky, just kind of gonna twist it and see what happens. And rubber band it all the way down. The sky was doing this fun thing where it's raining, so we moved it to the pavilion, and now we're going to add our dyes. So there's different techniques of rubber banding. There's way more than we can discuss in the video, so check them out online. So you can do whatever you want, whatever colors you want, but you want to make sure you saturate the areas that you're doing. You can never mess up tie-dye, so just go crazy. Okay. I'm going to use red and turquoise, I think. Okay, so once you're done dyeing, you're going to want to put them in a bag or seal them in a Ziploc or a Walmart bag or a trash bag and let them set for 24 hours. We're hopefully going to do our reveal tomorrow to show you how cool our shirts looked. Some things to remember are gloves, if you got them, so your hands don't end up like this. Ask your mom or dad or your parent and their guardian in your house if it's okay, and find a place where you're not going to make a mess that would get you in trouble. See, we put a trash bag down to protect the table underneath, and we're gonna, clean it all up in one mess-free area. A sink might be a good idea, or the bathtub, but make sure you scrub out the dye before it sets.